We will prepare a Saint risotto appetizer, but these days it's forgotten called appetizer recipe. There is a half a kilo of anchovy fish here. I didn't clean the last two. I want to show you. We remove the bone from the middle. I remove the fish's head. No bones, I am sure about it. And turn it around. Find the dorsal fin with your finger. And that's all. Easy and enjoyable. We are going to rip up the kitchen. We shall dispense. We will let off all our tension. We are not slaves. We cook for our pleasure. Cold water. Soak the fish in cold water 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. Do you see the color of the water? And that happened in just 15 minutes. First of all, pour that dirty water. And then we will wait until the water looks clear and clean. Fish is ready and we are ready. We can start amazing appetizer recipe. Dry fish, delicious appetizer. It's the secret of the recipe. I dried the fish with the paper towels. Do not overlap. Only one row. My friend brought the fish. Barbaros didn't let the fisherman clean it. You can buy it cleaned. I dry all fish until the paper towel doesn't get wet. I need 1 lemon. We will only use the juice of lemon. We will make the recipe in 2 different ways. First we will make the classic sauce recipe and then I'll make it more delicious with my sauce. Let's use a glass as a measure. Olive oil. Do you want to drink? Fish should be in a row, like soldiers. Should not overlap, but this important should not overlap. And another important point, the skin of the fish should be facing down. If you don't want to use anchovies, you can use sardines. Now it's time for lemon and olive oil mix. Black pepper flakes or white pepper flakes. I will use white pepper flakes. You can choose one of them, it's not problem. Fresh thyme, 3 or 4 branches are enough. Let's wash and use. Bay leaf, 2 or 3 is enough. 1 teaspoon sugar. Old master's tactic, sugar. Most people don't know this tactic. Reduce the tartness of lemon. Sugar gives flavor. 1 teaspoon salt. Sprinkle all over. Add salt. After only 2 minutes, the fish began to cook. The color of the fish began to turn white. Are you aware? You can start eating this in 2 or 3 minutes. But if you ask me, you have to wait 2 hours. It will be tastier and much healthier. And this immediately put in the refrigerator for 2 hours. It's time for the second method. This will be more delicious and this is my method and this is my recipe. I arrange the fish one by one again. Skin side of fish comes down. The fish should not touch each other and must be in a single line. It should be just like that. That's it. Sugar all over, but not much. Salt all the fish again. Add an equal amount of salt. Flavor is in the little details. Apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Mustard. 1 tablespoon mustard. It will be very delicious. Trust my recipe. It will be very delicious. Lemon. I will use only lemon juice. Lemon is very juicy, so I will only use the juice of half a lemon. Only half a lemon juice. And the olive oil. Bay leaf. And black pepper or white pepper. It's not matter. What do you want? Which do you want? Red chili pepper grains. Again mixed sauce. Golden rule. The product will always stay under the sauce. So we need olive oil. More red chili pepper. It's been 2 hours. They have been in the fridge for 2 hours. Now is the time. It's time to taste. I was put the glass container in the refrigerator with a slight slant. I did this for you to understand better. This side is under the sauce. The fish on the right wasn't under the sauce. I think everyone understands much better. The rule, fish must be waiting under the sauce. It smells very nice, very nice. Let's open the second appetizer together. If you want, you can add red onion to this second method. Let's taste it now. Let's check if it's cooked or not. Trust me, it's as delicious as pan-fried. On this channel, viewers always get the first bite. The result is delicious. Very delicious. I don't understand. Let me taste it again. And let's taste it. You won't believe how delicious it is. Just take a bite. Then you won't be able to stop yourself anyway. Just try and enjoy the food. Pamper yourself today and make this recipe for yourself. When was the last time you did something for yourself? You are the most important thing in this world. Treat yourself well. Good luck to all of us. Hello again everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not leave me alone.